All right, we are still here at the DCFC game. I have another fan. What's your name?
Hannah.
Hannah, how are you, Hannah?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So why is it important to call Miss Dig 811? I'm asking everybody here. Why do you think it's important?
Well, because you don't want to hit a pipe or anything. It could be very bad for neighborhoods and cities.
That is correct. And what number do you dial to call Miss Dig 811?
811.
There you go. She won. Thank you.
Yeah, not a problem.
Thank you for watching Miss Dig's What's the 811? Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.